Sunday kind of love.
Good morning guys, happy Sunday, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. We're going out to get groceries and I'm so excited. I'm in the best mood ever today and I'm so excited to be filming another Sunday routine for you guys. My favorite thing about these videos is that they change week to week. Like what I do on a Sunday changes every week, and so that's why I love to film these videos. So I'm really excited to be doing another one today. Today's gonna be a pretty productive one though because I work at 3:30, so we kind of have to get our shit together this morning. But I'm really excited about today's video. I figured I'd bring you guys along on a productive Sunday. But first, to give you guys an outfit of the day because I am so vibing with this outfit. Okay, I'll show you guys the bag. I'll show you guys the bag after, like in lighting, but I did get a new bag from Lululemon. I like this one. It's way smaller. It's cuter. My t-shirt is the oversized boyfriend t-shirt from Aerie. Jean jacket is Old Navy. I wish it was a bit bigger, but it's fine. And then my bike shorts are from Aerie, which I love so much, you guys, but they are like a fabric, like t-shirt kind of material. They were out of stock of like workout ones, so I had to settle and get some like cotton ones, but which is fine with me because they were only like 15 bucks and I wanted to see that I use them and that I liked them on my body before I bought nice ones. So I just ordered some more like workout style ones so I can work out in them. But I love these ones. I'll link them down below if they're still available, but they're just more of like a cotton feel. But I totally vibe with this outfit so much. So we're gonna go do groceries and let's do this. Hi guys, okay, so I just stopped to get my Starbucks. I'm at a light, so I'm trying to talk really quick. I feel like I only get Starbucks on Sundays now or whenever my grocery day is, but today's like a real Sunday, so I'm really happy because Sundays on Sundays are the best, and if you're in healthcare, you get it, because sometimes my Sunday is like a Wednesday, and it just doesn't feel the same, you know? So I got my Starbucks, which I only really get, like, maybe not even once a week now, honestly, but there's just something about like Sundays and getting groceries and getting Starbucks and just having like a whole me day that I just love. I love a self-care Sunday. Matt's at work today. And that's the gist. So we're going to get groceries. A lot of you guys ask me a lot of like budget questions, and I love it letting you guys kind of in on that part of my life. So Matt and I get the bulk of our groceries at Walmart. Walmart, honestly, everyone's sleeping on Walmart. Walmart price matches. They have really good produce and veggies, and I'm not trying to like go in debt for buying like $6 strawberries at Whole Foods. Like, I'm just telling you guys, as much as I love Whole Foods, I go over there for specific things, and that only, like, I think I would literally be broke if I did all my groceries at Whole Foods. Like, I'm sorry, but no. So we get like our meat, produce, eggs, cheese, all that stuff at Walmart, because like honestly, who cares if you're paying $5 or $1.99 for it, you know? And then I typically go to a like specialty grocery store, so either like Metro or Whole Foods or Farm Boy, to get our like the bread I like. I like a certain bread, dairy-free coffee creamer, and like some meat and stuff. Like today I'm trying to find some chicken sausage or just like a lean sausage. So that's what we're doing. I did my big grocery shop yesterday, and now today I'm just getting a few little things, so I'll show you guys those things that I get. We're just out and about this morning. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a busy day. I work at 3:30, which always kind of sucks on a Sunday because I don't have like the whole day, but can do some meal prep when we get home, and I'm excited to show you guys what we're meal prepping this week. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go get groceries, and I'll give you guys a little grocery haul when we get back home. But first off, got some Halo Top. This is my favorite Halo Top. It is so good, and now that it's hot out, I like to have ice cream a bit more, so I just got one of these in case I'm hungry for ice cream. Got our favorite coffee creamer. I actually prefer the hazelnut one. You guys know I used it for years when I was at home, but they have not had it in stock lately, so I'm settling for vanilla. Got some Havarti. I got a sun-dried tomato one to try. Matt and I love to do like little cheese boards, so got that. Got 2 zucchinis for my meal prep today. I love these, and you guys know I feel like I talk about these all the time on my channel, but they have them in a big like pack now. So I paid 15 bucks for this, and I got like a really big pack for the week, which is nice. And they're so easy to just throw a few in the bed in your, it's just so easy to throw in your lunch. So I got those. My favorite bread, you guys, the Silver Hills Sprouted Power one, and I actually got it 30% off, which is awesome. These things have like 6 grams of protein per slice. It's insane. So I really love this, and it only has a gram of sugar. I didn't realize how much sugar was in bread, so I really love this. So yummy, you guys. Got some more cold brews. You guys know I'm actually collaborating with them, and Matt and I drank them all, so I had to go get some more, but I love Station Cold Brew. It's a Canadian brand. So I got 2 nitro mochas, and then I just got my favorite, which is the Nitro New Orleans style. So got some Zevia. We're going to the cottage, so I figured I'd bring some of these with me. And then got what I was looking for. I'm gonna be meal prepping like a sausage pepper scramble today, so I figured I'd show you guys. I got 2 just because I don't often go to this grocery store, so I figured I'd just freeze one. But I love these so much. I do a maple one because it's like a sweet and salty. It's so good, you guys. So I just got these. The macros are pretty good on them for 3 sausages. So I just got 2 of them just so I can freeze one. But that's my little grocery haul. It's actually not as big as I thought, but so back in my office, 50. I have a video that's supposed to go up today that I honestly just like have to finish and get up. So I'm gonna work on that for the next little bit. I didn't put makeup on right now, but I'm sitting in my office and normally I have all my videos ready to go, but I decided that this week, since I wasn't posting, I wasn't gonna vlog or edit either. Like I wanted to be fully muted and give my unprovided attention to the Black Lives Matter movement. And yeah, so I didn't edit up, like I went farther than uploading, and if you uploaded, that's okay. Everyone chose to support it in different ways, and I'm not judging anyone for whatever they do. But I decided to not even film or edit and just completely mute myself. Obviously, I still have to go to like my Monday to Friday healthcare job, but I didn't do anything on YouTube. So I'm realizing now it's Sunday and I'm supposed to upload at 11 today, and my video's not even done or looked over. I have no thumbnail or anything, so I'm gonna spend the next little bit doing that. Normally I'm really like ahead of time. I normally have like my next 3 videos ready to go so that on uploading days I'm not stressed, but it is what it is. Me make my little list this morning. I know you guys are gonna get confused. I feel like I use new like to-do methods every day, but I forgot I had these. They're like my little hourly planners for my planner, and on really busy days like today where I just have a lot to do, I really do like to time block and then make a to-do list, which is why I really like this, because it's like a 2-in-1. But like on not busy days I don't do this, but obviously you guys can tell I have a pretty busy day before work and I just have a lot to do. So I'm doing things in a bit of a different order, but that's okay. I've learned to just go with the flow of the day. So right now it is currently, I don't even know what time it is, 11:06, and I'm just finishing up edits for a video to upload, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and meal prep really quick. Favorite things to do has been to cut up veggies and fruits and stuff for the week. I find it so much easier, and I'm more wanting to eat fruits and veggies when they're already cut up for me and I don't have to do the work. So I'm gonna cut up, normally I've been doing like peppers, cucumbers, and snap peas, and then I'm gonna cut up some lettuce for salads for the week, and we're gonna start with that. And then we're also gonna multitask and do my meal prep for the week, which I'm gonna show you guys. We had it this week and it was so good. Prep some lettuce. Oh, I just realized this is only like we used one. So I'm gonna put the lettuce in a baggie, cut up my zucchinis for my meal prep, cut up a cucumber, and then cut up the peppers for the meal prep. I'm just gonna cut up these peppers for meal prep, like to snack on, and then those ones will go in the recipe, so. After I chop my veggies, I obviously will wash them, and then I just wash the container, and then I'm gonna put them back in the container, and then I meal prepped all of my veggies for the zucchini and the peppers for my meal prep sausage skillet, and then cut up lettuce for the week. And the sausages are cooking. They have 11 minutes left, and we're on a roll, and it's not even noon yet. I'm going to just refill our protein shakes and our coffee, because that's important. So I always do that at the beginning of the week, and then I try and clean out the fridge. So the fridge is pretty much as clean as it's gonna get, and I'm gonna restock that stuff now. Ta-da! Alrighty guys, so I have like 8 minutes left on my sausage, so I'm just gonna do a super quick clean of the living room. I just gonna vacuum the couch and then just clean the tables off. I cleaned the kitchen and the bathrooms yesterday, but I just want to give the living room a little wipe down. So we're gonna do that super quick and then finish our meal prep. But meal prepping. I got my recipe up, I got some music playing, obviously not right now, it's copyright, and then I got everything ready. So we're gonna start the meal prep and I will let you know how it goes. 3, which I thought it would make more, but that's okay. So I just have all the veggies in here, which is zucchini, peppers, and onion. And then I just divided up the sausage at the bottom so I would know how much goes into each. So that is probably what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. And then Matt will have one for lunch tomorrow and I'll have one for lunch tomorrow. So freezer is so full of meal prep right now. It's ridiculous. We made a ton of we have a ton of meal prep going on. So fast and have breakfast now. Technically today, I guess I broke my fast around 11 when I had that vanilla sweet cream cold brew, but that's okay. I've also realized that when I was first fasting for like the first 2 months, when it was noon and it was time to break my fast, I would like just make a ton of food and like, because I was so hungry, I would just make a ton of food and have like a giant brunch, which some people can do, like, but I was so bloated afterwards and I couldn't figure out why. So now I just eat breakfast slowly. Matt does this and I should have listened to him a long time ago, but he has like 3 smaller breakfasts. And so I'm gonna start doing that because I just get so bloated when I eat breakfast. So my first little breakfast is gonna be some raisin toast with butter, my little breakfast, and we're gonna go take a shower. Guys, it's time to take a shower. Something about like Sundays and self-care. I really try and practice self-care, but sometimes it's hard. But for me, I just love taking a shower and like doing a hair mask and just a nice long shower. But I got some new products that I'm really excited to show you guys off of Amazon, so I figured to show you guys that. This is from the OGX coconut oil line, which I'm so excited to try. Like I said, I love the Moroccan oil line. Really excited. So I just got the shampoo, I got the conditioner, I got this hair mask, which I'm excited to try out today. And then I also got this, which is just like a penetrating oil. So I got all this for like 25 bucks on Amazon, I think. I'm sure you can get it at like Walmart and stuff. My Walmart just was sold out, but I'm really excited to try this. I'll let you guys know how I like it. I'm gonna do a hair mask and I'll be back. Here's my lunch. I'm honestly not super hungry. I really don't like to eat when it's hot outside, but I know I need to eat. So I made myself like a little charcuterie board with some more lemon water. And I'm gonna eat this and just relax for a little bit. It is 1, so I have a little bit of time before work to just relax, maybe watch a YouTube video and eat my lunch. A little sweet snack for the week. I'm gonna make some homemade Reese's peanut butter cups, which I've shown you in another video, but if you missed it, so simple. Literally all you need is chocolate and peanut butter, but you can add stuff to it. I do put like a tiny half a teaspoon of icing sugar in it just to kind of make the peanut butter a little sweeter, like a peanut butter cup, but it's also really good just the peanut butter and chocolate. I've done that. And then I might try and add a little bit of maple syrup today. I'm gonna do one or the other. I haven't decided yet, but I'll let you know. But I'll show you guys how to make it. It's literally the most simple treat in the world. And then I just have a silicone muffin tin from Amazon. And then peanut butter cups out of the freezer because I'm gonna bring one for a little dessert, but this is what they end up looking like. Pretty cute, and I don't know, they're just so yummy, and I just way rather make this at home, kind of knowing what's in it. So I'm gonna have one for dessert, and then I put them in a Ziploc bag and back in the freezer so that we can kind of enjoy them when we want to. I just finished fixing my hair up. It is so soft from that coconut oil, I swear. Also, my hair is getting so long, and now it's in that really awkward like post bob phase, but I think I'm gonna grow it out a little bit, like back to where it was in the summer, like about here, and then see if I like that, and if not, just chop her off again. But yeah, I'm gonna make a coffee because I'm really sleepy. I don't know why. I think my anxiety is just like draining me as a human. But it's 3:05. It takes me about 10 minutes to get to work, so I'm gonna have to leave really soon. I did end up taking the sausage veggie dinner. I took some pesto chicken instead because I've honestly not eaten much today, and that's just because when I get anxious I don't like to eat. So I wanted to bring like a pasta dinner to really fill me up. That was like really calorie dense, so I had that for dinner. And then I'm packed a peanut butter cup because I thought I treated myself after being an anxious mess all day. And I'm gonna make a coffee right now, which is definitely gonna not help my anxiety, but I just need it to function. So do that, and then we're gonna go to work. I'm gonna have a station cold brew, just the mocha one. I'm gonna pour this over ice and add a little bit of milk to it. Some plastic Starbucks, like the cold tumblers, because not easy to bring in the car with me. Starbucks is like fully open again. I'm gonna go and get some of the plastic tumblers because they're like $4. Alrighty guys, so I just got to work, so I figured this was the perfect opportunity to end the vlog off. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my Sunday. Like I said, every Sunday is different, and that's what I love about filming like Sunday vlogs. They're like my favorite because everyone's different, you know? Some Sundays I clean and work out, sometimes I don't work out and I meal prep like today. It just depends on the day, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe down below. I would love it if you joined our little fam. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!